Our next concept, current density. Current density is always represented by the symbol J. Here we can define current density as current per unit area of cross section. J is equal to I by A. Current per unit area of cross section is known as current density. Current density is a vector quantity. Okay, the SI unit of current density is, what is the unit of current? Ampere, and the unit of area is meter square. This is the SI unit of current density. Then we go for the next section, microscopic form of Ohm's law. Microscopic form of Ohm's law. You already studied in 10th classes Ohm's law. It is a law that relate current and potential difference. You already studied 10th standard. That is a macroscopic form of Ohm's law. That is V is equal to IR. This is the expression for Ohm's law. Okay. Here we will see the microscopic form of Ohm's law. Okay. We know current density J is equal to I by E. In the previous section we defined the relation between current and drift velocity as I is equal to N A V D E. Here I am substituting in the above expression. Then J became N A V D E by A going to cancel. Then J is equal to N V D E. Okay. This expression is only valid if the current is perpendicular to the area. Okay. Current density a vector quantity, so I write in the form of vector. Then J vector is equal to N V D vector E. Okay. We know VD drift velocity is equal to minus E tau by M. Okay. Substitute here. Then J vector became minus N E square tau E vector by M. Here N E tau M are the constant, so we can write this above expression as minus sigma E vector. Here the sigma is and conductivity. Here the sigma is conductivity. Then sigma is equal to N E square tau by M. Okay. But convention is the direction of the current is same as that of direction of the electric field. So we can write it as J vector is equal to sigma E vector. Okay. It is an microscopic form of Ohm's law. Okay. Sigma is a conductivity. The reciprocal of conductivity is known as resistivity. Okay.